is Miss Donita, and this is my little friend Beatrice. Beatrice, would you like to say hi to everyone? Hello, my name is Beatrice, and I'm a ballerina. Yes, Beatrice is a ballerina, and Beatrice and I were just about to watch a Story Bites video featuring Cecily. Since you're here, why don't you join us?
Hi guys, my name is Cecily. I'm the children's librarian here at South Irving Library. During our family story times on Wednesdays at 10:30, we have a favorite song, and it's Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. During that song, we get to use fun glow-in-the-dark stars while you're sitting at home. And if you have extra time on your hands, you can go ahead and make your own stars. And once we open up the library, I'd love for you to bring in your stars so I can see what you created while we are closed. But right now we're going to sing our song, Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star, and it goes, twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are, up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Starlight, star bright, first star I see tonight. I wish I may, I wish I might have this wish I wish tonight.
Well, Beatrice, did you enjoy singing Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star? Yeah, I did. I love singing Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star with Miss Cecily. Well, and I hope you guys enjoyed it too. See you next time. Bye-bye.